So guys, let's build our diagram in the Visio, and then we will do the deployment accordingly. Okay, so I will share my screen over here. So I will just create a diagram in quickly. So this is my internet cloud. Okay, and then I have my router. Where is my router? Okay, so this is my router connected with my internet cloud, and then I have my switch. Okay, so then I have I'll just do one thing. I will just make 2-3 switches. So I will do this way. Okay, so let me move it here in between, and this is the thing. And then I have to put my PaloAlto firewall here in a tap mode. I will prepare my server over here, and this is my users connected with somewhere here, and yes. Okay, so let me check. Yes. Okay, I hope it's fine now. This one I'll put it. I will create the boundary for my server. Send it back. Okay guys, so I just make a quick diagram, and then I will connect it. My switch is this way. Okay, and this is like this one. It's okay, I believe. Okay, then I will connect it this way, and this is connectivity with my internet cloud. Okay, and then my switches are connected this way. Sorry, I'll do one thing. I'll use the line for me. Okay, so this is my connectivity. Okay, I'll just mention here the text. PaloAlto firewall. Okay. So for the tap mode, I will configure this one. Okay. So a traffic will come from the internet, and it will go to my firewall directly for the monitoring. And what will happen exactly? This interface, which is my PaloAlto firewall, okay, this will be basically my tap mode. So I will make the connectivity from the switch, okay, to my firewall, okay, and I'll make it red color. Yes. Okay. So what happened now? This will be one of the port is my source span port. Okay. So this port is my span port. I'll make it arrow this way. Okay. Yeah. This will be my source span port. And this port where my firewall is connected, this will be destination. This will be my tap mode. Okay, this is my connectivity as a tap mode. This is my tap mode. Okay, basically this is wrong. I'll make it straight. Okay, so I hope this is fine now. And this port will be destination. Destination. Span port. I will do one thing. I'll make it dots. Okay, so finally, this is my diagram. So my internet router currently is here. Then I have my layer 3 switch, and then these layer 3 switches are connected with different access switches, and then access switches are connected with my server. So what I will do now, I will not do any change in the infrastructure. Just exceptly, I will take a free port on my layer 3 switch, and on this switch, I will connect it with my PaloAlto firewall. PaloAlto firewall, this interface I will connect as tap. Okay, there is a type of the interfaces. I will make it tap mode. Okay, I will show you when I will configure it. So this is my tap interface. Okay, and I will just take the cable, connect it here, and then connect with my PaloAlto firewall, configure the interface as a tap mode. And then I will do one thing. On this one I will connect as I will configure as a source span interface. So this will be my source span interface, this will be my destination. So what happens exactly when I make a destination span port, the traffic which is coming on this interface will also replicating on this destination span port. On this way, my PaloAlto firewall will start learning about the traffic which is going in and out in my network. So this is the overall concept of a tap mode. And now let's start our lab for today, and we'll see how I will configure the tap mode and the policies for this.